Hey everyone, it's Mayor Arrigo, and I'm here at the Revere Senior Center. May not look like the Senior Center that everyone knows and loves. We're actually in the bocce room, if you can believe it. And we are kicking off our Reach Every Senior campaign. And that campaign is an effort that we've made to reach every senior during the phase 2 of the vaccine rollout. And in phase 2, as many of you know, the governor announced that he would be prioritizing folks 75 and older. And what we want to do is make sure that our seniors are getting connected with the information, the resources that they need to get an appointment, to get the vaccine. And ultimately, we just want the seniors to know that we're here for them and we're here to help them. As you can see, we have a number of employees, a number of staff, a number of volunteers that are helping us make these calls. We have a really interesting and fancy list of showing the number of people that we've actually connected with. We figure that we have about 9,000 residents that are over the age of 65. We've used a number of different lists of information that we have to get the phone numbers that we have that we're calling folks with. And ultimately, again, we want to make sure that residents understand and know that we're here for them. We understand there's a high level of fear and anxiety about getting the vaccine and how people are going to get it. And we want to alleviate that, and we want to do that in a proactive way. So a couple things that we know we're going to expect to hear from folks is the challenges that they may have around technology, the challenges that they may have around transportation, and we're here and prepared to be able to help the seniors meet those challenges, and that's our job, and that's what we have control over, and we're going to do. Another thing that we know is a big challenge will be language access and having folks be connected in their native languages. So we have a number of multilingual phone bankers that are here, and we really appreciate all the support and help that they've provided in reaching our residents. So if any seniors maybe haven't gotten a phone call, or if they have questions, or if there's maybe some follow-up that they need from these phone calls that are being made, please don't hesitate to call 311. 311 should be the first stop for anyone that has any questions. Any answers that are being given here to questions that residents may have will be answered at 311 as well. So again, we're doing all that we can to reach every senior and to connect with every senior. If you haven't gotten a call from us and you have questions, please don't hesitate to call 311 and reach out to us and give us a call, and we'll help you navigate this challenging process to get a vaccine. Last kind of thing that I'll say is that the city of Revere is so lucky to have such great people. And this is an effort that has really hit home for me, because so many people have stepped up and said, hey, how can I help? How do I help you out in this kind of monumental effort to be able to reach every senior? And I really appreciate all of the great work that so many people have done. And I do have to give a special shout out to Lauren Buck, who's our Director of Public Health, and Deb Pesca, who's our Director of Senior Services and Elder Services. We've been able to pull this together in pretty short notice, and I think that it's a testament to the great work that they do on behalf of every single resident, and especially our seniors in the community. And I just want to thank them for all of their hard work. We really appreciate everything that you do, and that goes for everybody that's helped out on our response team, everybody that's had a hand in making phone calls, everyone that's really helped during these really challenging times. Thank you for all of your work, and thank you for looking out for the residents of the city of Revere.